In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove restriction on contacts that you had restricted on Facebook Messenger. So I have here this contact that I had restricted, and here it is, and we'd like to go ahead and remove the restrictions. As you can see, the chats are not here from this contact. So if you can't see your contact here, just go ahead and search them using the search bar here. And once you find them, just tap on their name to open. As you can see, this is their profile, but down here you can see you restricted this person. So to unrestrict this contact, it is simple. Just go ahead and tap on unrestrict. And now if I tap on this, now you can see the contact has been unrestricted. And now you can see the messages that I had or the chats I had with this person have been restored. So one thing you have to note is that once you have removed the restriction, then this person will be able to see your activities on Facebook. So that's how you remove any restriction from your contact using Facebook Messenger. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.